Here's a look at a couple of rivers. The Chaga River, which is this little small river that's completely in the state of South Carolina. You can go up there and fish in certain places and all that stuff. And the Chattooga River, which is one of our rivers that borders another state. It borders Georgia. And the Chattooga is on the National Wild and Scenic Rivers list. It's a real pretty place. It's also where they filmed the movie Deliverance with Burt Reynolds. So enjoy the footage.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the beautiful Chaga River, C-H-A-U-G-A, here in northwestern South Carolina. This is basically a tributary of the Tougaloo River. I'm about just a few miles east of the Chattooga, which is the state line between Georgia and South Carolina part of the way. But this is a nice little set of rapids. Water moving pretty quick. So, another beautiful day out here in God's Wonderland. All right, boys and girls, I'm standing in the middle of the Chattooga River. The Chattooga River is the border between Georgia and South Carolina. In the northwest section of South Carolina and the northeast section of Georgia. But it's a beautiful river. Right now I'm looking downstream. I got a group of people here that they've just stopped to take a break. They're canoeing and kayaking. They just came through this little mild stretch up here. So it's just as beautiful as you can see. Pretty nice place. If I take about 10 more steps, I could probably have 1 foot in Georgia and 1 foot in South Carolina.